guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, I'm Sulibit. So for today's video, I have decided to cut my own hair. Okay, so I am excited and nervous at the same time, but I'm also confident because I'm gonna be following Brad Mondo's tutorial on how to cut your own hair without ruining it. So thank you so much, Brad Mondo, for that video. But yeah, this is how long my hair is right now. Can you see? Kaya ako magkakat ng hair kasi ayan, as you can see, medyo dry na yung ends and ang haba niya na sobra. Feeling ko, ang ano ko na, nene ko na ulit kasi ang haba na talaga. It's just a beautiful day to cut hair. Hi guys, and I am back. So I am back after a few hours. I conditioned my hair. So this is my hair right now. Ayun na siya. I didn't use anything, don't blow dry or I didn't iron it. Ito talagang hair ko. This is how I wear it every day. And in-air dry ko lang siya kaya super tagal bago ako nakabalik. It's actually 5 PM already and I'm really excited to cut my hair. So this is one final look before I actually cut my own hair. So ganyan siya kahaba. And I'm planning to cut it right. Siguro mga ganito cut cakes. So wala akong professional tools right now. Wala ako nung panggupit talaga for the hair. Meron lang ako itong scissors na to. So I'm sorry. Oh my god, hindi dapat ito yung gamitin yung scissors. Pero pwede na to guys kasi wala tayong magamit na iba. I will be showing you first kung ano yung mga gagamitin ko. So first of course, we need the scissor. You also need the hair ties. Pero yung akin goma kasi walang bilihan ng sundayo. Oh my god. Kailangan naman mag-order pa ako online just for a hair tie. And then we have a detangler right here. Then I have a brush right here. And a comb na bungi. Ewan ko kung may suklay ako dito. Wala ko ibang suklay kundi ito lang. So, when you're even a Filipino, if your comb is not like this, or pag wala kang comb na ganito sa bahay. Sabi ni Brad, wait na. So, sabi kasi, you have to part it kung saan yung hati ng buhok mo. So, since ito yung hati ng buhok ko, hatiin ko siya dyan. Yan. Hindi pantay. Pag ito nag-fail, ang tagal ko nang hindi ginalaw yung buhok ko, as in, super tagal na ng last haircut ko, last hair color ko. As you can see, black na black yung color ng hair ko. Pero ayan, ito na yata yun. This is it, pansit. From here. Makakulo siyang mo, ang haba na ng buhok ko super. Is this right, Brad? I can't see. Ang hirap! Shit. After mo, mahati yung hair mo sa kung saan mo talaga siya hinahati, you have to section your hair. So, since dun sa napanood ko, sa kanya kasi, he made 4 sections. Eh, feeling ko sa akin, hindi siya kakayanin ng 4 sections, especially sa part na to. Hindi siya kaya ng 2 lang kasi ang kapal guys ng side na to since halos lahat ng hair ko nandito sa side na to. So, what I'm gonna do is, we are gonna be sectioning it. So, ito kaya ito ng 2 lang. So, you're gonna have to find the highest part. Yun sa, tama ba yung term? Apex. Wait, so this is the highest part. This is hard. It looks easier on the video. Hindi ko siya ma-feel. Ito yata yung highest eh. Okay, so, you have to like, part it. Ganyan. Okay, I'm planning to cut it right here. Yeah. So, sabi ni Brad na hindi mo dapat siya itatali ng nasa harap or nasa harap or nasa likod. You have to tie it here sa shoulder, sa shoulder part. Yeah, that's about it. So, I'm gonna tie it down. Then, we can adjust naman later. Yan. So, yan. Tama ba? Wait. Oh, feel ko sobrang iksi nito. Oh my god. I'm so scared. So, bali ganyan kadami yung gugupitin ko. Oh my god. Ha! Okay, so, ayun na. Yan. So, I have a total of 5 sections. Oh my god. Wait lang. Oh my god. This is the most common mistake that all of us do whenever we cut or when someone cuts their own hair, they always cut it horizontally, but you should cut it like upwards or downwards. So I'm gonna cut it downwards. So para feeling natin nun tayo professional hairstylist. Oh my god. So let's just take a moment to say goodbye to our hair. So please wag kang magtampo. So ayan na. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so I'm gonna cut it already. So I'm gonna have to shoot. Can you just do it? It's so long. I don't know how to freaking do this. I'm gonna cut it like this na lang. Kasi I'm sorry, please. Huwag ka magtampo, please. I'm sorry for cutting you. Oh my god, can you... I'm gonna show you all the hair later. I just hope na pantay siya. If it isn't though, papapantay ko siya kay mama. I feel so professional. Wait lang, tinan nyo naman yung buhok. Oh my god. Look at all my hair. Next. Oh my god. So many hair. Okay, so ayun nangyari. I'm gonna have to cut this. Una, I'm gonna cut the back part. Okay na yan. Then next is the last two. Last one. Okay, so just one final touch. I think that's good na. Okay. Whew! Wait lang. Oh my god. Can I just, guys, tinan nyo yung gano'ng karaming hair yung natanggal sa akin. It's all in this towel. Oh my god. Moment of truth. Here we go. So freaking short. I know it's not pantay. We're gonna fix that. Like just okay guys, so the last thing that I wanna do is maglagay ako ng layer here. Like pa ganon. Like. So, hindi siya masyado makikita daw. Oh my god, I'm getting so addicted. Anyways, look at my hair! So short. So, I'm not gonna style it anymore, like, curl it or anything. Kasi, guys, OMG, 6 o'clock na, tinatamad na ako mag-curl ng hair. But anyways, all I can say is that ang saya pala magupit ng sarili mong hair. Pero, medyo nakaka-stress siya na konti. Especially if you're gonna do it alone. Actually, ako nagpatulong ako kay mama. So, that is my hair. It's actually okay to cut your own hair. Especially if papanood yung video ni Brad Mondo kasi it's really gonna help you and you can also achieve the shortness that you like. I mean, kasi diba minsan when we go to the parlor and then magpagupit tayo tapos gusto natin yung certain tayong gustong specific na length and minsan hindi nasusunod yun kasi sometimes it's still too long or sometimes it's too short. So, this way, if yung parang if ma-achieve mo yung gusto mong length and kung hindi man siya naayon sa gusto mong length, you can cut it, you can adjust, nabubulo na ako. Yun, pwede mo siyang i-adjust kasi nga ikaw lang naman yung nagugupit ng sarili mong hair. I feel so new. Ayun, I feel so free. So yun, also, ayun, basta, wala lang iba masabi. So that is it. So, yun. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to give this video a like and comment down below your suggestions, recommendations, and kung ano pang gusto nyo gawin kong videos in the future. Also, please follow me on my Instagram. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Peace out.